Zauris Smart Setup, Getting Started and Connection Guide. Connect lock with the app. Make sure you have the app installed on your phone. Prepare the lock. On the lock keypad, press star and hash. The lock enters Bluetooth pairing mode. Add device. Open app. Create your account. Tap Add device on the plus icon. Enable Bluetooth. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Tap Next. Bluetooth search. The app will start searching for your nearby devices. Keep the lock close to your phone. Select your lock. Your lock will appear in the list. Tap on the lock to select it. Wait for pairing to complete. To add administrator, once lock is added, tap on your lock device. Select Member Management. Tap on Me, Admin. Then input the details. Fingerprint Registration. Tap Add under the Fingerprint Registration section. Follow the on-screen instruction. Place finger on the fingerprint reader on the lock. Password creation. Tap Add under Password section. Enter 6 to 10 digit password, then tap Save. Make sure your password doesn't contain same numbers or consecutive numbers. Card registration. Tap Add under Card section and register the card. How to add a user? Tap Member Management, then tap plus icon to add user. Register user credentials. While registering the user credentials, follow the same step as adding administrator.